Hey, welcome back to the channel. First, do me a favor and subscribe. Thank you. Let's get to 1000 subscribers. And let's get into this video. I'm really excited about it. If you watch the channel, you know a while back I got these Fendi sneakers, which are beat to shit. So I'm going to clean them. I'm going to do both sneakers, not just one for the purposes of the video, and then I'm going to add an actual outsole to them, and of course at the end I'm going to do the on feet. But anyway, let's get into that right now. So if you didn't see my other video, I got these for about 60 euros from an auction website, the retail being about 700. This is my first ever designer sneaker, but they were worn out by someone else, so first I had to give them a thorough cleaning. Just wait to see how clean these came out. After they dried, I had to work on the heel drag as it wasn't symmetrical. And after that, I've wiped the soles well with acetone and the rubber sheets too. For the rubber sheet outsoles design, I've changed my mind about 50 times, but in the end I went with something simple. I've smeared the adhesive on the outsoles on the rubber sheets, then let them dry for about 15 minutes. Heat up the surfaces with a heat gun and clamp them together. I've also changed the insoles. The stock ones are very thick and a bit uncomfortable. Then I've smoothed down the rubber edges and let these sit for about 24 hours. So I know these are not perfect. For example, the paint on those lace rings is chipping off, but they are okay for now. Let me know what do you think about my restoration. I think I'm going to buy more designer sneakers and restore them just like this. That's kind of it. Thank you. Subscribe. Bye.